Welcome to the Instant Funnel Machine software overview. Now this software will build a completely monetized squeeze funnel that's going to allow users to have a complete funnel ready to collect leads within minutes. Now there's two parts to the software. One is the software that designs the squeeze funnel along with the freebie giveaway and the thank you page, inserting some affiliate links as well to monetize that funnel. Now the second part is a plugin that communicates with the software that allows the user to import all those pages directly into their WordPress installation. Now the first thing the user is going to see is a dashboard. The dashboard is going to contain some important information or updates, some administration messages. We'll have links to obviously downloading the plugin and things like that. So just more of an information page to keep the users up to date on what's going on with the software. Now, the first time the user sets up their account, they're going to want to complete their profile. Now, the profile is used for a couple different things, obviously putting the user information in there, but the software pulls some key information from the user's profile to put into squeeze funnels, into the freebies, and also create some of the monetized funnel. So the most important information is obviously the user's name. Their email address is automatically put in when they're pulled from the membership area through JVZoo. Their JVZoo affiliate ID is very important. We generate some things that I'll show you once we get into creating the funnel, but this is very important. The license key is automatically generated. This enables the software to communicate with the plugin via an API that we've had created that works with this license key. One of the other key pieces is going to be the website. So we're able to put that website link right directly into the ebooks that are part of the squeeze funnel. And obviously the PayPal address is pretty important as the front end product creates a full squeeze funnel with sale, upsell pages and things on the back end. So we're automatically putting their PayPal email address into those so they're able to generate sales. One other thing that we've had built in as well, if you can put in an image, we're adding that image to brand the ebook as well. So on the ebook, they will see the user's name, website, and an image of them if they decide to put that in. So it's going to help with their branding and getting their information out there. So we're going to create a funnel here real quick just to test one and kind of show you how it works. So step one is you just label your funnel, and we'll call this test one. Then you go through and you pick whatever ebook niche you're looking at. We've got things from traffic and internet marketing related, health and fitness, self-help things. So there's a lot of things in here. I think we have about 100 books by the time we're going to launch here. So these three at the bottom are ones that are going to be part of the front end package. So the front end package, they're going to be able to get a squeeze page, a giveaway, a sales page, and an upsell page along with thank you pages. So what we'll do is I'm going to show you this one where we'll use this one here so you can select it. You can even preview what the book looks like. Just hit save and continue because it will save our progress as we go through. That way, if the user has to quit out, they can come back to where they left off. Now, there's all kinds of several different templates in here that are fully customizable. Some of them have video and motion background. You can add video to it. But specifically for this funnel, I'm going to select the one that we had for that so it creates the funnel properly. Again, you can preview the squeeze pages and what they look like. Down here are, you could change the background. You can even upload your own background if they wanted to change the background for any of the templates. Every template is fully customizable. So again, we're going to hit save and continue. So what the software does is from information that we've put into these squeeze pages, they're just pre-filled so they can go in and change all this information. So we can put here, test information just so you can guys see it as it changes. So it puts in all the information there, and every template's different so they can change bullet points and whatever applies to that template. Now here where the email field is, you can change this. If it has a name field, you can put, you enter your best email. Now the submit button, you can fully change as well. So you can change the wording, the color, all that kind of stuff. We have the buttons built in already, but they can fully change it to color however they want. And again, if you hit live preview, it'll kind of show you what it looks like. I got to fix the image link there, obviously, for this part of it, but it does show up. So once you see the preview, it's not exact, but once it gets put into WordPress, it looks proper. So again, we're going to hit save and continue. So the next part is integrating the autoresponder. So currently we have 4 autoresponders that we can currently integrate via API. For example, if I use GetResponse and I put in my API key here, it's going to pull all my information from my lists. So now I have a drop down and I can pick whatever list I want to integrate with. Again, we have Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact. And again, if a user doesn't have any of those or they want to use their HTML code, they just put the HTML inside the form here and it will integrate with their autoresponder. Now, one of the things that they can do is determine where they want the customer to be sent to. So they can put a custom URL. So let's say they have the basic package where they can only create the squeeze funnel, nothing else on the back end, but they already have a sales funnel. They can put that sales funnel information in here and it will completely send them to that into their funnel. Or they can send them directly to our thank you page that we've created and designed to work fluid with this software. Now we're just going to leave it with a thank you page for now, and we'll hit save and continue. And again, this is where we can create our thank you page. So we can change the headline, we can put a full welcome message in there. This link here, it automatically updates with the template that we've used on the front end. And we can add some extra bonuses here. We can say free bonus gift. Free bonus gift. I'll just put Google in there right now. We can add an image if we want to. There's a ebook right there. And we'll just hit save and continue. I think we can add up to 4 ebooks on there. So when we hit save and continue, it takes us to where we want to have related resources. So this is important where we put our JVZoo ID in here. So it pulls the information from JVZoo, and here's all the different products that I've already been approved for through JVZoo. So I could go and pick any one of these and add them to my thank you page. So let's just pick one here. I'll add that. We can add up to 4. So we would just select 4. So we'll just select 2. Here we can put in banner images, or we can automatically create a banner image as well. So let's just, for the sake of this video, we're just going to create, a red link, or let's see, an orange link like that, and then it will put the product name in here that corresponds with what we've selected. Or again, we can add our images. So hit save and continue. So once you hit save and continue, this is where we can create a full mini website. So we have the ability to add legal pages. Now these are all left blank, so the user can put their own information in here however they want. We'll add some links for some free resources, but the user doesn't have to use these if they don't want to. Click save, and we hit create funnel, and that would create the whole funnel once this is done. And that's how easy it is to create a funnel with Instant Funnel Machine. Now the other tab up here is the My Funnels tab, which shows just all the different funnels that we've already created. What it would do here is it kind of gives you the name that you've named it. So what it does here is it gives you what you called it, what affiliate resources we put in here from JVZoo. This will say completed or not. So if a user stopped halfway through on creating a funnel, this would highlight in red saying that it's incomplete. Here we can go through all the different steps and make adjustments if we want to. We can also duplicate a funnel for split testing purposes. So if we want to split two different headlines, or however you wanted to do that, we can create 2 different funnels, just duplicate it just by hitting the button. And obviously this will delete it as well if we want to. So that's pretty much the overview of the software. Now I'd like to kind of take you over and show you inside with the plugin. So now we are inside our WordPress installation where we have installed the Instant Funnel Machine plugin. As you can see, there's 3 tabs at the top: a registration tab, an install funnel tab, and a My Funnels tab. Now, once you first install the Instant Funnel Machine plugin, you need to register that plugin with the software so it will start to communicate. You're going to install the email address that you've used, your Instant Funnel Machine password, and you're going to paste in the license key that the software generates for you. So once you click Save Changes, the software will show you that it's now verified and successful and ready to communicate with the software. Now what we want to do is we want to install our first funnel. So you click on Install Funnel. On the drop down, here's the funnel that we just created, test 1, and you hit Load Funnel. Now as you can see here, it has now installed a complete funnel onto our WordPress site. So here's our thank you page. So here's our sales page, thank you page, our sales page, our upsell page, our privacy page, our thank you page from our squeeze page. Here's our squeeze page right here, and our upsell thank you page. So as you can see here, when you click on each one of these, it will show you all the site. So here is our squeeze page that we created. So we can put some information in here, and I'll show you. Once you click here to download, it will take us into our first sales page, which is what we wanted. Okay. Here's our sales thank you page where it's got all the different stuff that we can download. Okay. Here's the privacy page that we created where it says privacy page. Okay. And the last thing I want to show you is just the thank you page that we created with some of the stuff that we put in the software. So as you can see, here's our headline, our message, if we wanted to change that. This is the e-cover from the template that we chose. And there's our download link that would download this, the ebook. And like we said, we want to check out some of these free bonuses. We didn't really put an image in here, but that will give us, it'll open up a tab and we'll go to Google, which is what we put in there. And here's our recommended resources. With, as I hover over this, you can see that it's got my JVZoo affiliate ID for both of these different products. So we've created a fully monetized squeeze funnel with, within minutes of a few different clicks. So I hope you like what you see. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I look forward to having you on the team.